Anxiety is a natural response in our body that is there, that tells you, just like pain, that something is wrong, that something is bad is happening. Like it's a fight and flight response telling you to be aware. It's a signal signs that something, preparing yourself to be a big danger. So it's a natural process and it's being there. If you don't have an anxiety, you won't work for your last task, you won't work for your important things. But it's become problematic and it go out of control. Anxiety is an invisible burden. It's there, it's happening. So unlike this physical thing that you can see, unlike this physical ailment that we can treat with the medicines, this is the one thing that remain unseen, and yet it profoundly impact your daily life beings. So it's like it's there, but you can't see it. Nobody can understand it, how much anxious you are inside. When you forget the one being who created you, so then you distance yourself to your creator. You lost the spiritual connection that is making you to fight, that is making you to reduce it, that is making you more vulnerable if you are not there, because it's making you more anxious. That whoever turned away from my remembered, he shall be constructed life. So these spiritual factors interact with your biological and psychological causes, and this is creating a complex picture of what anxiety is manifested. Allah said to remember me at every moment of the life, not when you are on the verge of any problem, and not when you are being at trouble. Just remember. So zikr act as a powerful anxiety reducing practice because it calm your mind.